Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to deliver a lesson for class 11th subject zoology. Today we will discuss about the human excretory system. As you know, excretion is the process of removal of various waste products from the body that are formed as a result of various metabolic reactions taking place in the body. Now, in human body, the major waste products are formed as a result of protein metabolism, which are ammonia, urea and uric acid, which must be removed from the body. Now, the removal of such waste products from the body is the responsibility of human excretory system. Now, this human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. As you can see in this sketch, this is the left kidney and right kidney. These are the two ureters coming out of the kidneys, which open into a urinary bladder, and from the urinary bladder this excretory system opens out through the urethra. Now the kidneys are basically dark red bean-shaped organs about 10 to 12 centimeters long and 5 to 7 centimeters wide and about 2 to 3 centimeters thick. Now each kidney weighs about 120 to 170 grams in a healthy adult. Kidneys are situated against the back wall of abdominal cavity, just below the diaphragm, one on either side, that is the left side and right side, opposite to the last thoracic and first three lumbar vertebrae. Their position is slightly asymmetrical. That means the left kidney being a little higher than the right one, and each kidney has a concavity, as you can see here, which is known as the hilum or hilus. Now the blood vessels, as you can see, blood vessels, nerves and ureters enter or leave the kidney through this hilum. Now internally, the kidney is composed of numerous microscopic tubules, highly coiled tubules called the nephrons. The nephrons are held together by connective tissue, and these nephrons are then enveloped or surrounded externally by a capsule called the white fibrous layer. This is the white fibrous layer which surrounds these nephrons. And after this white fibrous layer, there is a fat layer. Here, this is the fat layer, which acts as a cushion of the kidney and has the protective function. After this fat layer, externally this kidney is again surrounded by a fibrous layer which is known as renal fascia. So these three layers, the renal fascia, the fat layer and the white fibrous layer, form the protective covering around the kidneys. Now, depending upon the arrangement of nephrons in the kidney, each kidney has two parts. This is the cortex, the outer cortex, and this one is the medulla region. The medulla is further divided into 15 to 16 conical mosses, as you can see. These are the conical mosses, also called as the renal pyramids, each having the broad base, this broad base towards the cortex and the narrow end towards the renal pelvis. And you can see through this concavity is the hilum. This is the renal artery which enters into the kidney at this region, and this is the renal vein which leaves the kidney, and this is the renal pelvis which leaves the kidney, and it ultimately narrows downwards and forms the ureter. Now this is about the external and internal structure of the kidney. In our next topic, we will discuss about the structural and functional unit of the kidney, that is the nephron. Until then, thank you.